All right, today is the day that we are going to see Profit Alliance up and running. You'll be able to get your copy front end opening at $9.95. And this is a brief overview of what you're going to get when you purchase Profit Alliance by Michael Chaney for $9.95. It's going to include the done for you money making system where you can make up to $418.90 per sale without any work required to create your own online business. And that's going to be around the 7-figure launch system that he came out with. It's also going to include a high performance habits uh, training that's an audio program designed to help you understand how high performing affiliates think so that you can make the same results that they do. Really get an inside view on how they look at an offer and how they think about promoting offers and where they put their energy and how you should maybe consider to do the same. He also includes in this program a customer service system valued at $297 a month. So you never really have to worry about replying to any support tickets or customers. Again, any problems that your customers have will get handled by Michael Chaney's staff. So you do not ever have to worry about providing customer service as long as you're promoting a Michael Chaney product through Profit Alliance. Uh, you also get the SOP simplification system. This is a step by step plan on how to put in systems and how to educate people on successfully running a business. You're also going to get the Profit Alliance Playbook. This is an audio program designed to help you understand how high performing affiliates think so that you can get the same results they do. You're also going to receive the easy payment processing. So never have to worry about setting up any payment systems again. They're all going to be set up for you as part of the Profit Alliance. And that's really what you're getting here. That's going to be the theme throughout this whole thing is everything is going to be done for you. You're going to be able to leverage these systems that Michael Chaney has put in place. And it's going to give you that advantage over everybody else in the market that has to worry about a million and one things. And it really breaks it down to where you are going to be focusing on one thing and one thing only, and that's traffic. Everything else will be able to be leveraged one way or another through the Profit Alliance. Um, there's also the Profit Alliance Facebook group. Go ahead and get in there. Once you get this, that's going to be a powerful area for you. It's going to be other like minded entrepreneurs that are looking to promote through the mindset of the Profit Alliance. And you'll be thinking and working in the same uh, beat, and you'll be working with these people. And that's really going to be the strength of the program. That's the alliance. That's everybody working together. Everybody's going to be promoting together. You guys will get in rhythm with each other. And it's the mass movement of people together that create the motion, that creates the traffic, that brings the profits. And that's what Profit Alliance is going to be all about. This is a plug and play. He gives you all the promotions for your business. You no longer have to worry about what to promote because it's included in this package. And that's just the front end. It goes on from there. Of course, there's going to be upsells. I've included those in other videos. I just wanted to do a brief one to remind you what the front end product is. And it goes on the market today. So click the link in the description and get your copy of Profit Alliance and get started today so you have the advantage of everyone else who cannot make the decision and will come in the days to come. Get in there today, get started, get your first payment. I'll see you on the inside.